Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage sales strategies with Base CRM, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Base CRM account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Access the sales dashboard from the main menu. Identify the key features available for managing your sales strategies. Start by setting up your sales pipeline. Click on the Pipelines tab to create a new pipeline. Define the stages of your sales process according to your business model. Add relevant details for each stage, such as potential deal size and estimated close dates. Once the pipeline is set up, move on to adding leads. Navigate to the Leads section and click on Add Lead. Input the necessary information like name, email, and phone number. Consider segmenting your leads based on different criteria such as industry or location. Next, manage your contacts effectively. Go to the Contacts tab and utilize the search bar to find specific entries. Update contact information as necessary to maintain accuracy. Now, let's focus on tracking interactions. Log all communication with leads and contacts within the CRM. Use the Notes feature to keep track of important conversations. Set reminders for follow-ups to ensure no lead is overlooked. Moving on to reporting, access the Reports section. Analyze your sales performance through available metrics and charts. Adjust your strategies based on the insights gained from these reports. Consider integrating other tools to streamline your sales process. Explore the Integrations tab to connect Base CRM with your existing software. As you become more comfortable, customize your dashboard for quick access to key metrics. Utilize the Settings section to tailor notifications and preferences to your needs. Regularly review and update your sales strategies based on performance data. Finally, ensure consistent training for your team on using Base CRM effectively. With practice, you'll enhance your sales management capabilities and improve overall performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.